ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। कर्मयोग थर्ड चैप्टर we are seeing Bhagwan is telling Arjuna that you must do karma yoga, niyatam karma you should do. There is a cycle from uh, Akshara Brahma, Veda comes, from Vedas karma comes, from karma yajna comes, from yajna parjanya, the rain comes, from rain grain comes, and from grain human being comes. So this is a complete cycle so that universe can function in proper rhythm. So keeping that in mind, you must perform your duty, yajna. If you don't do karma in this entire cycle, you will be creating problem in universe. Better you should do karma. So now Bhagavan says this cycle is this cycle should be followed by everyone. Evam pravartitam chakram nanuvartayati hayaha aghayurindriyaramam ramah mogham partha sajivati. एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं नानुवर्तयति हयः अघायुरिन्द्रियारामः मोघं पार्थ स जीवति. So this is how the an entire the chakra, the cycle goes on of creation. One who doesn't follow it and one who takes delight in pleasing sense organs, he is useless fellow on this earth. Bhagavan says that. We'll see. Evam pravartitam chakram na anuvartayati. Iha yah. Aghayuhu indriyar aramah. Mogham partha sah jivati. Vigraha. Now, Anvaya. He Partha, a son of Prithu. Prutha. Partha, evam pravartitam chakram, a cycle which is goes in this way or in this direction. Yaha, one who iha in this world na anuvartayati, who doesn't follow that cycle, who doesn't fit in that cycle. Saha, that fellow, indriya aramaha, who takes delight, who is satisfied in the senses. Aghayuhu, Aghayuhu, he just eat papam. He's a papi fellow. He's a sinner. Mogham jivati. There is no purpose of his life. He's a futile person living his life. So he takes delight in pleasing sense organ. He is futile on this earth. So we must do karma. That is the message here. ऐसी हे आदि परंपरा संक्षेपे तुझ धनुर्धरा सांगितली या अध्वरा लागोनिया. ऐसी है ऐसी है परंपरा. संक्षेपे तुझ धनुर्धरा. सांगितली या अध्वरा लागोनिया. ऐसी है परंपरा. This cycle briefly, संक्षेपे, briefly, तुझं धनुर्धरा, ओ wielder of bow and arrow, आदि परंपरा तुझा संक्षेपे सांगितली. I told you in brief. Briefly, I have reaccounted this process. Adhvara lagunya, because the Adhvara here, yajna, because the topic of yajna is going on. Yajna, doing selfless actions, karma yoga is going on. So I told you in the context of this karma yoga. मनोनी समूलहा उचितु स्वधर्म रूप क्रतु नानुष्ठी जो मत्तु लोकी ये. म्हणूनी समूलहा उचितु स्वधर्म रूप क्रतु नानुष्ठी जो मत्तु लोकी ये. म्हणून समूळ हा उचित. म्हणून मीन्स वी मस्ट फॉलो आवर धर्म. समूळ हा उचितो, completely this is appropriate, apt thing to do in life. What is that? Swadharma Rupa Kratu. Kratu means yajna, and which is in the form of doing one's own duty. That is the appropriate thing to do. जो matto nanushti, जो one who matta, like he is intoxicated. Nanushti loki, one who doesn't follow swadharma, doesn't do swadharma in this world. That fellow, तो पातकाची राशी जाण भार भूमिसी. जो कुकर्मे इंद्रियांसी उपेगा गेला. तो पातकाची राशी जाण भार भूमिसी. जो कुकर्मे इंद्रियांसी उपेगा गेला. तो पातकाची राशी, he is the store of sin, heap of sin. जाण भार भूमिशी, he is burden on earth, one who doesn't do dharma. जो कुकर्मेंद्रियांसी उपयोगा गेला, through the bad conduct, through bad actions, he was enslaved by the sense organ. He was after sense organ, kukarme, through bad actions, indriyansi upyoga gela. He was serving his sense organ throughout his life. He never served dharma. What about him? ते जन्म कर्म सकळ अर्जुना अति निष्फळ. जैसे का अभ्रपटळ अकाळीचे. ते जन्म कर्म सकळ अर्जुना अति निष्फळ. जैसे का अभ्रपटळ अकाळीचे. ते जन्म कर्म सकळ. His life, his birth, his life, his birth, his actions. अति निष्फळ. अति निष्फळ, it's completely futile. जैसे का अभ्रपटळ अकाळीचे. अति निष्फळ, his life is futile. जैसे का अभ्रपटळ अकाळीचे. His life is futile like what? When you know in sky sometimes the cloud comes, though it's not rainy season, it's not monsoon, but untimely cloud comes. Akaliche abrapatal, and those untimely clouds, they never pour water. They just come there and they just go. Like that, a person who doesn't do swadharma, he just comes and goes. No use. का गळास्तन अजेचे. तैसे जियाले देखतयाचे जया अनुष्ठान स्वधर्माचे घडे चिना का गळास्तन अजेचे तैसे जियाले देखतयाचे जया अनुष्ठान स्वधर्माचे घडे चिना का गळास्तन अजेचे or how Dhaneshwar Maharaj describes a person who doesn't do dharma swadharma. He is like you know, there is some teat, hanging teat for in the neck on the neck of goat. Okay, like this here, which looks like uh, a nipple. It doesn't give. It is useless. It doesn't give milk. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Gala stana azeche gala here. Stana, like you know, a piece of flesh here. Stana azeche a goat. Taise jiale dekatayache. Like that, his life is, which doesn't, serve any purpose. The flesh hanging here on the neck of goat doesn't serve any purpose. It is just there like that. Jaya adusthana swadharmache ghade china. The one who doesn't perform swadharma, one who doesn't do his duty diligently, he is like the flesh of that goat's neck. मनोनी ऐके पांडवा हा स्वधर्मू कवने न सांडावा सर्व भावे भजावा हाची एक मनोनी ऐके पांडवा हा स्वधर्मू कवने न सांडावा सर्व भावे भजावा हाची एक म्हणोनी ऐके पांडवा therefore listen पांडवा therefore O Arjuna listen स्वधर्म स्वधर्मु कवने न सांडावा nobody should abandon their duty सर्व भावे भजावा हाची एकू rather everyone should follow swadharma wholeheartedly whatever assigned duty we have according to varna and ashrama we should do and Naneshwar Maharaj says we have got this body so behind getting this body, what is the reason? Karma is only reason to get this body. So because of karma we got such a nice body, then should we give up karma? हागा शरीर जरी जाहले तरी कर्तव्य ओघे आले मग उचित का आपुले ओसंडावे हागा शरीर जरी जाहले तरी कर्तव्य ओघे आले मग उचित का आपुले ओसंडावे this body which you got kartavya there is karma behind this so karma gave you body then the karma which gave you body should that body give up the karma karma gave me body I should do favor to that karma because of that I got body or this karma we should not give because reason for everything is karma only परिसपा सव्यसाची मूर्तीला होणी देहाची खंती करीती कर्माची ते गावंढेगा परिसपा सव्यसाची मूर्तीला होणी देहाची खंती करती कर्माची ते गावंढेगा परिसपा लिसन अर्जुना मूर्तीला होणी देहाची देहाची मूर्ती लाहोनी having got this body खंती कर्माची करिती those who are lazy towards karma they feel what all the time I have to be activate I will be passive in all other things te gavandega those people are ignorant having got the body They don't do actions. In fact, they regret that they have to do actions. यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते विग्रह यह तु आत्मरतिः एव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तः च मानवः आत्मनि एव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते. Very very important shloka. Who should not do karma, or in fact who doesn't need to do karma, or who doesn't do karma, यह यह मानवः आत्मरतिः एव, the one who takes delight in atma, atmatruптah, one who is content in self, atmani eva cha santushtah, one who is satisfied, doesn't need anyone, that person tasya karyam na vidyate, he need not do any work. Otherwise everyone has to do कर्म. देखे असतेनी देह धर्मे एथ तोचि एकुनलिम्पे कर्मे जो अखंडी दर में आपन पाची देखे असतेनी देह धर्मे एथ तोचि एकुनलिम्पे कर्मे जो अखंडी तर में आपन पाची देखे. Listen. Asateni deha dharme, being in this body, following all the functions of body, tochye kunalimpe karme, that person is not affected by karma. Who? Jo akhandit rame apan pachi, the one who always take delights in himself, in self, capital S. That person is great. He need not do any karma. जो जेतो आत्मबोधे तोषला तरी कृतकार्य देखे जाहला म्हणोनी सहजे सांडवला कर्म संगू जेतो आत्मबोधे तोषला तरी कृतकार्य देखे जाहला म्हणोनी सहजे सांडवला कर्म संगू. जे नाम कारण, बिकॉज तो आत्मबोधे तोषला, who is content by divine knowledge, one whose all the to-do list is done, कृत कार्य देखे जाला, one who is fulfilled all the desires and all the things in the life, one who has accomplished all the work. Manoni sahaje sandavala karma sangu, therefore effortlessly sandavala karma sangu, the karma has given him up. So karma left him because he is self-content, satisfied within. He has done all to-do list. He is done for the life. नैव तस्य कृते नार्थः न कृते नेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः नैव तस्य कृते नार्थः न कृते नेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः न एव तस्य कृतेन अर्थः न अकृतेन इह कश्चन न च अस्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चित् अर्थव्यपाश्रयः. What a shloka. One who is done in his life, if he does something, it doesn't matter. If he doesn't do something, that also doesn't matter. He doesn't have any obligation to do something towards people. I love this shloka. So the shloka says, Iha, in this world, कृते तस्य कृतेन अर्थ न. Tasya, a realized person or a person who is taking delight, self-content, that person's krutena arthah na. He should not do anything. Like whatever he does, doesn't matter. 1 minute. Hmm. So if he does some karma, na arthah, no gain. Akrutena api kaschana arthah na. If it doesn't do, there is no loss. So there is no gain and loss by doing something. Sarvabhuteshu kaschit artha vyapashra, and he doesn't have to get benefited from any person on this planet, any animal in fact. He is full content. Sarvabhuteshu kaschit artha vyapashraya na. There is no some reciprocating things between him and people or animal. He is full. तृप्ती झालिया जैसी साधने सरती अपैसी देखे आत्मतुष्टी तैसी कर्मे नाही तृप्ती झालिया जैसी साधने सरती अपैसी देखे आत्मतुष्टी तैसी कर्मे नाही. Who doesn't need to do karma? Naneshwar Maharaj says, gives beautiful example. Once we, full, the hunger is satiated. Trupti jhaliya. Once the hunger is satiated, sadhane sarati apaisi. Then we don't have to cook. We don't have to turn on the gas. We don't have to put vessel on the gas. We don't have to burn the gas. Nothing, because we are content. We are full. Sadhane sarati apaisi. देखे आत्मतृप्ति तैसी कर्मे नाही देखे. Like that, atmatushti. Once there is self contentment, self capital S, atma, karme nahi, he doesn't have to do any action. So till what point we have to do karma? Maneshwar Maharaj says, जववरी अर्जुना तो बोध भेटे ना मना तवची अया साधना भजावे लागे. ब्यूटिफुल वर्स. जववरी अर्जुना तो बोध भेटे ना मना तवची अया साधना भजावे लागे. Unless and until तो बोध भेटे ना मना, we don't get that enlightenment. Tavachiyaya sadhana. Till that point, we have to uh, do actions. Unless and until we get that bodha, till that point, we have to serve, serve, serve. We have to do actions. Beautiful verse. Javavari Arjuna to bodha bhete na mana. Unless and until, as long as we don't get that enlightenment, we have to continue to do karma. Only one verse is there? Yes. Therefore, Bhagavan says, tasmadasakta satatam karyam karma samachara asakto hyacharan karma paramapnoti purushah. तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पुरुषः. तस्मात् असक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर. असक्त ही आचरन् कर्म परम आपनोति पुरुषः. 1 minute. Okay, let it be. Tasmat, therefore, we must, okay, we'll see. Tasmat, therefore means the one who has attained self-enlightenment, only he is, not enjoined to do karma. Otherwise, everyone has to do. Therefore, tasmat, asaktah san, being detached. सततम कार्यम कर्म समाचर. You do always actions by being detached from the result. असक्तः सन कर्म आचरन परम आपनोति पुरुषः. पुरुषः param apnoti. A person attains the higher, the moksha. How? Karma acharan, by doing karma. But how? Asaktasan, being attached and doing karma, that person alone attains moksha. म्हणोनी म्हणोनी तू नियतू सकळ काम रहितू होऊन या उचितू स्वधर्मे रहाटे. म्हणूनी तू नियतू सकळ काम रहितू होऊन या उचितू स्वधर्मे रहाटे. म्हणोनी therefore niyatu, whatever karma you are supposed to do, nitya naimittik karma, सकळ काम रहितू. नियतु सकळ, all niyata karma, vihita karma you do. How? Kama rahitu, without having desire for result, intense desire for result, you do actions. होनिया उचितु स्वधर्मे रहाटे. So काम रहितु होनिया, being detached from the result, स्वधर्मे रहाटे, do your own duty. जे स्वकर्मे निष्कामता अनुसरले पार्था ते कैवल्य परतत्वता पातले जगी. जे स्वकर्मे निष्कामता अनुसरले पार्था ते कैवल्य परतत्वता पातले जगी. जे, those people who did swakarma, their own duty, nishkamata, without any desire, selflessly they did. Anusarale partha, and nicely they performed all the actions. Te kaivalya paratatvata patale jagi, they reached moksha avastha, infinite bliss within themselves they could find. Therefore, we all must do karma. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says now, not only few people, but there are great people who did their karma. They never abandoned their karma and they got moksha in their life. So, Bhagwan is going to quote their names. And one more reason Bhagwan is going to tell that uh, even though you realized Bhagwan, infinite bliss within, you should do actions to show path for other people. For loka sangraha, one must do all the karma. Karma naiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayah loka sangrahamevapi sampashyan kartumarhasi. Karma naiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayah लोकसंग्रहमेवापि संपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि. कर्मणा एव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिताः जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहम् एव अपि संपश्यन् कर्तुम् अर्हसि. He, indeed, जनकादयः, जनक etc. कर्मणाम एव संसिद्धिम आस्थितः. कर्मणा एव, by actions only. Samsiddhim, they got chitta shuddhi. Asthita, they got. Very important word I said just now. By karma, only chitta shuddhi you get, not moksha. By karma, you get chitta shuddhi, and after chitta shuddhi, by shravana manan nididhyasan, you get moksha. It is a way of saying that by karma you get moksha. So indirectly by karma you get moksha, but directly Shravana Manan Niridhyasan you get moksha through Chitta Shuddhi. Tvam Loka Sangraham Eva Sampashyan Kartumarhasi. And for people, to gather people, to maintain this world, you can do karma. देख पा जनकादिक कर्मजात अशेख न सांडिता मोक्ष सुख पावते जाहले देख पा जनकादिक कर्मजात अशेख न सांडिता मोक्ष सुख पावते जाहले देख पा सी जनकादिक ओ अर्जुना जनकादिक जनक एक्सेट्रा कर्मजात अशेक न सांडिता विदाउट abandoning कर्म मोक्ष सुख पावते जाहले they got मोक्ष सुख you also should do कर्म या कारणे पार्था होवावी कर्मी आस्था हे आणि काही एका अर्था उपकारेल या कारणे पार्था होवावी कर्मी आस्था हे आणि काही एका अर्था उपकारेल therefore ओ अर्जुना या कारणे होवावी कर्मी या कारणे means because great people they did karma they didn't abandon karma and got moksha therefore या कारणे पार्था होवावी कर्मी आस्था we should have faith in action हे आणि काही एका अर्था उपकारेल this doing karma is going to benefit in the other way also or to others also हे आणि काही एका अर्था this doing actions is going to help for one more work also it is going to be favor for other work also one more thing also जे आचरता आपण पेया देखी लागेल लोका यया तरी चुकेल हा अपाया प्रसंगेची जे आचरता आपण पेया देखी लागेल लोका यया तरी चुकेल हा अपाया प्रसंगेची व्हॉट इज द असाइड बेनिफिट ऑफ डुईंग कर्म जे आपण पेया आचरता when we follow our own dharma देखी लागेल लोकायया this following dharma will become example for other तरी चुकेल हा अपाया प्रसंगेची and in everyone's life there will be some situations where they may fall into that situation but if they have someone as an exemplary so they can avoid this calamity तरी चुकेल हा अपाया प्रसंगेची so if we follow dharma there is a side benefit that people won't be trapped in their life we must follow देखे but if I am realized person then देखे प्राप्तार्थ जाहले जे निष्कामता पावले तयाही कर्तव्य असे उरले लोका लागी दिस इज ज्ञानेश्वर ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज से यू मे बी द रियलाइज्ड पर्सन यू हैव सम debt towards the society you are indebted to them you have some fair shares towards society देखे प्राप्तार्थ जाहले जे निष्कामता पावले तयाही कर्तव्य से उरले लोका लागी देखे सी प्राप्तार्थ जाहले if you are a realized person अर्थ प्राप्त जाहले moksha you have got जे निष्कामता पावले and you don't have any desire now तयाही for such people also कर्तव्य से उरले for those people also there is something to do for whom लोका लागी beautiful example मार्गी अंधा सरिसा पुढे देखणाही चाले जैसा, अज्ञाना प्रगटावा धर्म तैसा आचरोणी, मार्गी अंधा सरिसा, पुढे देखणाही चाले जैसा, अज्ञाना प्रगटावा धर्म तैसा आचरोणी. Just like there is a blind person, with that blind person there is a person who can see properly, one who has eyes. Margi on the road, andha sarisa along with blind person, देखना ही पुढे चाले जैसा. Just like that, just like a person who can see clearly, he is in front of a blind person to show the path. Like that, ajnana pragatava dharmutaisa acharoni. Therefore, like that, ignorant people, we should tell them this is how dharma is. And one word, Naneshwar Maharaj very, meticulously he puts acharoni. You don't tell them, you follow, because already they are ignorant. Ignorant people won't be, straighten up by words. You have to show them by following. So it's a big challenge. You don't have any desire, you have fulfilled the purpose of life, and still you have to do something for people. That is Varkari Sampradaya. हागा ऐसे जरी कीजे अरे हागा ऐसे जरी न कीजे, तरी अज्ञाना काय वोजे, तिही कवणे परी जाणीजे मार्गा तेया. हागा ऐसे जरी न कीजे, तरी अज्ञाना काय वोजे, तरी कवणे परी जाणीजे मार्गा ते यया. हागा ऐसे जरी न कीजे means you don't follow dharma and become exemplary for other, then how this ignorant people will understand what is the right path? तिही कवणे परी जाणीजे, तिही by ignorant people, कवणे परी, which what is the way, जाणीजे मार्गा ते या, to know this marga. Ajnana kaya oje, and how they will understand what to do in this marga, so they don't know. So we must, we should, we ought to do all the actions. You may be a realized person. We will sing beautiful bhajan, Tukaramji Maharaj. पुढे गेले त्यांचे शोधित मार्ग, पुढे गेले त्यांचा शोधित मार्ग, चला जाऊ माग घेत आम्ही, घेत आम्ही, चला जाऊ माग घेत आम्ही. वंदू चरण रज सेवू उष्टावळी, पूर्व कर्मा होळी करोनिया, करोनिया. पूर्व कर्मा होळी करोनिया. अमुपहे गाठी बांधू भांडवल, अनाथा विठ्ठल आम्हा जोगा, आम्हा जोगा. अनाथा विठ्ठल आम्हा जोगा. अवघे होती लाभ एका या चिंतने, नाम संकीर्तने गोविंदाच्या, गोविंदाच्या. नाम संकीर्तने गोविंदाच्या. जन्म मरणाच्या खुंटतील खेपा, जन्म मरणाच्या खुंटतील खेपा होईल हा सोपा सिद्ध पंथ सिद्ध पंथ होईल हा सोपा सिद्ध पंथ वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी पूर्व कर्मा होळी खेर करोणी या करोनिया पूर्व कर्मा होळी करोनिया. हम्म. तुका म्हणे घालू जीवपणाची तुका म्हणे घालू घालू जीवपणाची जाऊ त्या माहेरा निजाची या वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी पूर्व कर्मा होणी करोनी या वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी पूर्व कर्मा होळी पूर्व कर्मा होळी करोनिया वंदू चरण रज सेऊ उष्टावळी. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.